You can really see everything in this camera. I kind of like it though. Welcome back to my channel here at J Shy Beauty. If you're new, welcome. But if you've been here before, what's up? So today, guys, okay, look, I've been seeing all these teeth gem stuff. I'm like, I want to try that. So I've been watching the YouTube videos, but the YouTube videos, they have like nail glue in your mouth. I don't know how I feel about nail glue in my mouth. I know it's just going on my tooth, but like they file it, then they put the nail glue on the gem and then put it on I just don't know, guys. I don't know about that. But I'm like, hey, what kind of adhesive can you put in your mouth? And I was like, Fixodent Plus. This is a precision hold and seal denture adhesive cream. People put it, like people who don't have teeth, or like, what's these called? I forgot. People that have dentures. Duh. People that have dentures put these on their dentures to keep it in their mouth. So why not put it on the gem to keep the gem in my mouth? Let's try it. So I got this at Walgreens. It was $6.56, and if this shit don't work, your girl taking it back to the store, okay? So this is what it looks like. Fixodent Plus, and it has the scope in there. Scope flavor. You guys know what that is. No shade. So let's see. So it does have kind of a small tip, but not really. It smells like toothpaste. But before we get started, I feel like we need to brush our teeth. So let's go do that. So I don't know if this is a good view or not. I don't know how your girl's looking, but here we go. So I'm gonna put it on this tooth right here. So I'm gonna brush a little bit with my electronic toothbrush. Uh-oh, shit. Okay, I'm back. Now we're gonna take some peroxide and just put it on my other toothbrush. This is what I brush my teeth with to keep them white. We're just gonna put some peroxide on here. Oh shit, and focus again on that tooth that we're gonna put that gem on. Okay. 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 We back. Okay. So now I got a paper towel. I'm just gonna wipe that tooth. Hey, get out of here with that. Okay, so I'm gonna talk real quick. Once you wipe it, like, you gotta keep that shit dry. Dry. So, no more talking for me. Here we go. Oh my god, guys. It fucking worked. It worked. Oh my. That shit didn't work. This was a fail. Right, Chevy? I don't recommend this. I really don't recommend using any nail glue either. Just go to the dentist. Get it done professionally. I'm out. Thanks, guys.